Ever wanted to buy stock in a company based overseas but didn't want to deal with foreign exchanges? That is where ADRs come in. An American depositary receipt is a certificate issued by a U.S. bank that represents shares of a foreign stock held in custody. There are over 2,000 ADRs available, making it simple to get exposure to international markets right from your standard brokerage app. They simplify global investing by letting you trade in dollars and keeping the transactions within the familiar U.S. regulatory framework. While direct foreign shares involve currency conversion and complex tax reporting, ADRs act as a proxy that fits into a standard portfolio. Keep in mind that while commissions might be low, you may encounter small pass-through fees for the custody and conversion of your dividends. Remember, an ADR is just a shell for the original stock. The company's performance in its home country is what really drives value. If this helped you understand global markets, hit subscribe for more money basics. Save this video to review before your next international trade.